How to share your profile link on Discord. First of all, in order to share your profile link, you have to copy your Discord profile link and then only you will be able to share your profile link on Discord. For that, go to Discord app, then make sure to sign in on your Discord account, and then on this home feed when you reach, you need to select any server or chat that you wish to send the message. But before that, go to profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and then go to gear icon at the top right. You have to scroll down and select the option of advanced under app settings. Make sure to turn on the developer mode on this advanced page. Then go back to your home feed and open any chat or server. Then you have to send a message. Once you send it, tap on your own profile on this chat. Then tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen and here you have to copy your user ID. So your user ID has been successfully copied. You need to exit this Discord app, then go to your notes and open it. By opening the note, you have to type in discordapp.com/user/ and then you need to paste the previously copied Discord ID. Once you copy it, this is your profile link of Discord. Simply you can select this all the link and then you can easily copy it and share wherever or to whomever you wish to your profile link of Discord. So this is how we share our profile link on Discord. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.